Well, question 6, the question says, the sketch below shows the graph of g of x, which is given by negative 12x plus 12, and f of x given by negative 3x squared minus 9x plus 30. A and B are the x-intercepts of f, and C is a point on f, D is a point on G, such that CD is parallel to the y-axis. H and K are the points on of intersection of F and G. So the first question here says, determine the length of AB. So the length of AB, we can see, is actually the length, it's this one, okay? So we need to find that question. 6.1, determine the length of AB. Okay, what do we know? We do know that from the question, we can notice that A and B are the intersects, okay? It's also given there in the question. You can see that they say A and B are the x-intercept of F. So I can just find the point A and point B, and then determine the distance, okay, between the horizontal distance of, which is the horizontal distance AB. Now let's first find a question. So we have like question 6.1. So we need to find AB. Okay, to do so, we need to determine the coordinates of A and the coordinates of B. Okay, they're the intercepts. So to find that, I'm going to make the intercept of the parabola F, okay? F, this one. So now I'm going to say f of x, which is given by negative 3x squared, negative 3x squared, minus 9x plus 30. So we're going to set this equal to 0. Equal to 0 because they are the intercepts, okay? Intercept here, it's when y equal to 0, okay? The y value, the y coordinate is equal to 0. So now I'm going to set, I'm going to make negative 3x squared minus 9x plus 30 equal to 0. Now, to do this, what I notice here, I can notice that each term in this equation is a multiple of 3, or maybe negative 3. So I can divide the whole equation by negative 3. So I can just write like negative 3x squared minus 9x plus 30 equal to 0. Okay, I can divide this by negative 3, by negative 3, and by negative 3. And now this will be positive x squared. And now over here, negative and negative here will make positive. So this will become positive 3x. And then that will be negative, because positive 30 divided by negative 3 will be negative 10. And then it's equal to 0. Now that we have a trinomial simplified, we can solve this. I can put x in the bracket, there. And now over here, I will consider the last term, which is negative 10, okay? I'm gonna write here negative 10. Okay, now let's list the factors of 10. In ascending order, preferably, they're like 1 and 10, 2 and 5, okay? So now in the list of the factors of 10, there is only one couple which will make a sum equal to the middle term, which is positive 3, okay? So now let's see, with 1 and 10, we will never make 3, but with 2 and 5, yes, if we do negative 2 plus 5, okay? Negative 2 plus 5 will make it will be positive 3, and negative 2 times negative 5, obviously that's equal to negative 10, you see? So here we will place negative 2 and positive 5 equal to 0. Then we will do, that means x, okay, x minus 2 equal to 0, or x equal to negative, okay. I want to do all the steps. X minus 5 equal to 0. So this means that x is equal to 2, or x equal to 2, that was plus 5, or x is equal to -5. So now those are the intercepts, so the values of A and B. Now we need to select the right thing, okay, to place. Because we have a -5 here, this can only be this part over here, okay, because this is these are below 0, okay, because 0 is here, -5 must be A, so that will be -5. And now B is +2, so that's +2. Now the question is to find AB, the distance AB. That's what I said, the length AB. To do so, I am going to, let me move, so I need to find this length, the one, this one, AB. Okay, because it is an horizontal line, the easier way to do that is by saying the highest number minus the smallest number. So AB will be equal to -2 minus 5, which is equal to, which means AB equal to -2 minus makes plus. Actually, it's +2, sorry. +2 minus 5, which makes 7 units. Okay. You can use the distance formula to calculate this, but you don't have to when you have horizontal or vertical line, okay? But if you use the distance formula, you're still gonna get the correct answer, okay? We could use this formula. Let's show, we could use this formula of the distance of AB will be equal to square root of x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared, okay? This is a general form for all the line. This will take the line whether the distance is, the distance of the line is horizontal, vertical, or oblique, or whatever it is, it will do everything. But for special cases like for horizontal line or vertical line, we can just do the highest number minus the smallest number. Okay, if you use this formula, you're still gonna get the right answer. Let's see. Okay, I'm looking for the distance AB. So this will be this to the power of 2 plus that is to the power of 2. I'm subbing the values. Okay. If I look here, over here, the point A means that the coordinate of A is -5, 0. And then this also is 2, 0. So if this is my x2, I'm going to do 2 minus 5, okay, to the power of 2. So this might be 2 minus, okay, I'm going to do 2 minus 5 to the power of 2, and then y2 minus y1 is going to be 0 minus 0. Okay, this will be square root of 2 minus will make 7 squared plus 0 squared, which is square root of 7 squared, which is 7. So you can use the formula, it will also work. Thank you.